I'm not gonna show. Holy shit. Damn. Fucking gnats got in my throat. Yeah. Alright guys, I know it's been a minute, but I'm excited. We're finally putting the front lip back on the car. I got a new one, and we're gonna be putting the white pinstripe all around. Another cool thing is that I got new side skirts, so we're replacing these things. They're like 4 years old. They need to retire at this point. They're just bad. But yeah, I'm not gonna show. Holy shit. Damn. Fucking gnats got in my throat. I hate this state. Yeah. Oh god. Alright, back to it. We are not gonna show the process of installing the lip because I have a video of that. Already, so I'll drop a link for that if you guys are curious. Yeah, I don't know, that gnat just took me out. I might have to die. Take a good look at it without everything on. Already looks so much better. Oh, I love it. Can't wait to put the pinstripe on. Might have to wait for that since it's so rainy, but I love it. So they're completely off, man. These things were disgusting. Look at them. Gross. They're not damaged though. I mean, besides like all the holes from the screws, but they actually held up really well over the years. Not even like any chips. It's actually pretty awesome for a cheap set of side skirts. Alright guys, so this is how it currently looks. That's the stock side skirts. The front lip is back on. All right, you can barely see the side skirt. Right. Now this is it with the new side skirt. I feel like it's still pretty subtle. I feel like that side dips down. We will fix that another day.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so it's the next day. I was excited to come look at it, and I came outside. This is the first side I see, and I'm like, oh man, it still looks good. Everything looks cool. It's straight. Looks awesome. Front lip is still on, but then this side, I think because the sun is literally right there, it ended up like warping the side, which was weird because it was perfectly straight yesterday night. But again, I think the sun just came and warped it out, so that kind of sucks. But I have like a weight and some other things on it to kind of even it out again. Hopefully that helps because of how hot it is outside. It's just Florida, man. It sucks out here, bro. But we're gonna go ahead and put the pinstripe on now. So I'm gonna be using this pinstripe I got from eBay. Again, as always, links will be in the description for all these things. I finished it. Kind of love-hate it. Like, it's not even anything different. I've done this before, but I don't know, maybe I like did it once and now I'm over it, so I'm not as excited, or I'm not even sure what the feelings are. It's a love-hate relationship with it right now. But I'm gonna get some cinematic shots to so you guys get a better look at it. This wide lens doesn't really do it justice in my opinion, because in person it looks different compared to how this lens views it. Wow, it's bright. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get some cinematic shots, and you guys let me know what you think. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next video.